Hello everyone, I'm in Budapest. I'm very excited about this remarkable architecture. It's amazing. I bought a 72-hour travel ticket to see everywhere in Budapest. I think this is the easiest way. Like hop on, hop off tour, you can plan your visit, you can go wherever you want. This place is Fisherman Bastion. The view is spectacular. You should see here, you should come and you should see by yourself. But I will show you every single place of Budapest. Are you excited about that? Yes! Let's see together. The 800 years old Matthias Church has also been destroyed and rebuilt several times in Fisherman's Bastion. These icons of Budapest also offer breathtaking view over the Danube to Pest. While I'm Buda side, I'm taking you to the one of the Muslim side of Budapest. Short but step walk from the Margaret Bridge, Gülbaba's tomb is located on Masket Street. Tomb of Gülbaba is the holy place of Islam and recently renovated and reopened. Gülbaba, also known as the Father of Roses, was a Turkish dervish, philosopher, poet and soldier who came to Hungary during the Turkish invasion and died in Buda in 1541. The exhibition displays various Ottoman objects in Hungary as well as clothes and tools used by dervishes. Hungary is a historically Christian country, but today it's being home to many religion communities. Today I came across Hare Krishna India Festival and enjoyed this amazing group. Buda Castle is a beautiful fairy-tale-like castle built by an artificial lake in the biggest green park in Budapest. Originally, it was made from cardboard and wood for the Millennial Exhibition in 1896. From the castle, it's just a short walk over to the most famous bath. Széchenyi Baths has 15 thermal baths and 3 swimming pools, but there is also beer spa, massage and medical treatments. The House of Terror Museum commemorates the victims of both the communist and the Nazi regimes in Hungary. The building served as the former headquarters of the Nazi Party in 1940, and its basement was used as a prison. Architecture in the Roman Empire was a social art meant to benefit the community. Buildings, roads, baths, basilicas, and amphitheaters were spectacular. The Hungarian Museum is a historical museum that is the oldest of its kind in Hungary. The museum documents the history of Hungary from the prehistoric age till the modern era. Budapest's most iconic architectural landmarks are city bridges. Chain Bridge is the most iconic and the first permanent crossing connection Buda to Pest and runs from the Four Seasons Graham Place to the bottom of Castle Hill. It's a nice looking point, and all along the river you will also find a few different departure points for boat tours down the Danube. Buda Castle is a remarkable castle and one of the Hungary's most magnificent symbols. If you don't want to hike all the way up to the top of Castle Hill, I recommend taking the funicular up to the Royal Palace and then scroll back down, which is very enjoyable and doesn't take long. Buda Castle houses the National Library, the Budapest History Museum, and the Hungarian National Gallery. I spent 3 days in Budapest. I think it's perfect amount of time for the first overview of the city. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you have any other suggestion of things to do in Budapest for another travelers, feel free to share those in the comments below. See you next time. Bye!